Hi everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to subject CHM421, which is analytical chemistry. We continue our lecture on topic 1, units for quantities and concentration under the last subtopic, which is density and specific gravity of solution. Density of any substance is the mass per unit volume. The unit can be in kilogram per liter or it can be gram per milliliter. Specific gravity is the ratio of the mass of substance to the mass of equal volume of water at 4 degrees Celsius. It's dimensionless. So the specific gravity is the density of substance over the density of water. So the density of water is 1000 gram per liter or 1 gram per milliliter. So here is the example uh, related to the density of solution. In this question, you are asking to calculate the molarity of 70% weight per weight of perchloric acid with the density of 1.67 gram per milliliter. So uh, 70 gram per 100 gram. This is the 70% weight per weight is a gram per gram. 70 gram, 100 gram times the density of the solution, 1.67 gram per 1 ml times with 1 liter equivalent to 1000 ml, and the molar mass of perchloric acid 105 gram per mole. And then when you calculate using your calculator, you can obtain 11.63 mole per liter uh, or uh, 11.63 molar PT. Okay, I will teach you another way to calculate this molarity. As we know, molarity is capital M mole per liter of solution. So in order to calculate the molarity, we should have the information, the number of moles of the perchloric acid and also the volume of the solution. Uh, However, in this question, it's just give you percentage concentration. 70% meaning that 70 gram per 100 gram. Fortunately, you also gave given in terms of density, meaning that 1 ml of solution is equivalent to 1.67 gram. So if you have 100 gram of solution, meaning that you can have uh, you can have 100 times 1 over 1.7. So you can have 100 times 1 over 1.67. So you will have 89.9 89.88 uh, 02 ml, or it can be 89.8802 ml converted into liter divided by 1000. So is the 0.0.05988 liter. Okay. So the molarity is mole. Mole. Now we have a mass here, so it should be mole is a mass over molar mass of perchloric acid. From the product table, you can calculate it will obtain 100.5 gram, and then over volume of solution, uh, 0.0588 liter. So when you calculate using your calculator, 70 over 100.5, and then over again with 0.0888, so you will obtain 11.85 mole per liter, or 11.85 molar PT. So uh, is relatively similar with this answer. Mm, we try 100 times 1000 over 11.6. But why my answer is slightly different? It's 1.67. Sorry, 100 for 1.67. 803,988 for 2, and then 1 liter 1000, 0.0. Okay, I think the mistake is here. This should be 599 liter. Okay, so this one should be 9, and then you can get the same answer, 70 over 100.5, and then over, so 11.63. So now you get the similar answer. All right. So the second question also about similar, is asking you about molarity is mole per liter, and then you have 90 gram per 100 gram from the percentage of weight per weight, and also you are given in terms of density. 1 ml is equivalent to 1.84 gram. So in the 100 gram is equivalent to 100 over 1.84. So 54, 54, 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. So this one in ml. So divided by 1000, you can have in liter 3, 5. Mm, 0.0. So this one is 0.0543 liter. Okay, so mole is a mass. Mass is 96 gram over molar mass of sulfuric acid, which is 98 per liter, 0.05435 liters. So you can get 96 over 98 over 0.05435. So you get 18.0238 mole per liter, or 18.0238 molar per. So it's the same like this. All right. So they have a different way of calculation. Is up to you which technique that you're familiar with. Okay. So now this question is asking you briefly explain how to prepare the following solution. Uh, 500 ml of 2 molarity sulfuric acid from commercial reagent 90 gram per 100 gram have a specific gravity of 1.84. So this specific gravity 1.84 will be uh, because density water it should be 1000 gram per liter. So specific gravity is density of substance over density of water. So now you are given the specific gravity x 1000 gram liter minus 1. So the density of H2, sorry, density of uh, H2SO4, it will be 1.84 times 1000. So 184 gram per uh, gram per gram per liter. Okay. Uh, now we know in 1 liter is equivalent to 8040 grams. So for 100 gram, how many liters? 100, 100, sorry, it's 100 uh, divided 1840, so 0.05, 0.05 uh, 4345 liter. So you already have the liter. So what else? So you need the volume. So by using M1 V1, M2 V2. So M1 not yet. You have to calculate the molarity of the commercial reagent. So molarity of the commercial reagent is mole per liter. So the mole is 90 mass over 98 over 0.05435 liter. 90 over 98 over 0.0545. Huh? 45. Sorry. It's 90 over 98 over 0.0 5435. So you obtain 16.89897 3 molar pretty. This why the molarity of this commercial reagent is 16.9, and then volume you have to find in order to prepare this solution. 2 molar, uh, 2 molar, volume is 500 ml. So you can get the V2 500 times 2 over 16.9. So you obtain like 89, 59, 50, 59.2 ml. So how to prepare? You have to measure 59.2 ml of phosphoric acid from the commercial reagent, and you dilute it into 500 ml of volumetric flask using distilled water. All right. So this is another example you have to try. Is asking you the number of mole. Mole should be mass over molar mass uh, in 250 ml of 0.50 molarity. So this one, it gives you 0.050 mole per liter. So in 1 liter, 0.52 mole. So in 250 ml is equivalent to uh, 0.25 liter times 0.10. You can obtain 0.0375 mole. Okay, so answers similar. All right. So this one also you have to try. How many mole? Mole is mass over molar mass. Absolute presence in same question like this question, but it's different unit. This one in liter, but the one in milliliter, but same technique you can settle. Calculate the molar concentration of ethanol in aqueous solution that contain 2.3 gram of ethanol with the molar mass and 3.5 liter of solution. Okay, so molarity you can calculate is a mole per liter. Now you can get the mole because you already have mass over molar mass. You can get a mole and liter 3.5 liter is the volume of the solution. So I think you can settle this question. This one also calculate the molarity. Again, mole per liter. So of ammonia. So mole is a mass over molar mass. So molar mass you can calculate from periodic table. 14 plus 1 times 3, 17 gram per mole. And then liter, this liter you are given 750 ml. You have to convert this one into liter. So you can try, it's quite straightforward. You can check, your answer should be similar to this. All right. Okay, this one. Briefly explain how to prepare the solution of 750 ml of 6 molar. This one from a commercial reagent 85% weight per weight and specific gravity of 169. I think we already did about the same question just now. You can refer to this slide in order to answer this exercise. You are already given the answer in here. You can compare your answer with the given answer. Okay, I think that's all for topic one. See you again on topic two on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.